Good day sa lahat, si Fiscal AJ po ito. Kanina may nagtimbre sa akin na di umano sinabi raw ni Atty. Libayan in one of his live streams na walang kasong grave scandal. May nagtanong kasi sa kanya kung grave scandal ba ang pagsisex in public places at heto ang sagot niya.
Ang pagsesex po ba sa public places ay grave scandal? Hindi po, wala hong kasong grave scandal. Wala hong kasong grave scandal. Wala hong kasong grave scandal. Pwede rin yung sa Safe Spaces Act yan, yung pagsesex sa public places. Yun. Pero wala hong kasong grave scandal. Alarms and scandals siguro yung iniisip nyo, pero hindi ho alarms and scandals yun.
Malinaw ang sinabi niyang walang grave scandal at ang pakikipagtalik daw in public ay nagpo-fall under the Safe Spaces Act. Pero ano ito? Ano ang sinasabi sa Revised Penal Code? Article 200, Grave Scandal. Patay tayo dyan, Libayan. Baka naman may nalalaman si Libayan na di natin alam?
As correctly pointed out by scrutiny, meron talagang crime na grave scandal as defined and penalized under Article 200 of the Revised Penal Code. So hindi po totoo yung narinig natin kay Atty. Libayan na alarms and scandals lang meron. Ano ba ang grave scandal? It happens when a person performs a highly scandalous act that offends against decency and good customs. Decency means propriety of conduct and or proper observance of modesty and good taste. For example, it is offensive to decency whenever we see two people having sexual intercourse in public places. Ang good customs naman means established usage or tradition and enforced by social disapproval when there is a violation of such tradition. For example, it has been the established usage or tradition, at least dito sa Pilipinas, na ang pagtatalik ginagawa lang in private places. So, when you see two people having sex in a public park, it violates such established usage or tradition, and for sure, it will be met with social disapproval. Ano ba ang elements ng grave scandal? First element, the offender performs a highly scandalous act that offends against decency or good customs. Examples, having sex in public places, walking naked inside the airport, or masturbating inside the church. Second element, the said act is committed in a public place or within the public knowledge or view. Examples of acts committed in a public place. Like what I said, masturbating inside a movie house or having sexual intercourse in a public park. What about an example of an act committed within the public knowledge or view? Masturbating in the open balcony of a house where people who pass by the said house can observe the scandalous act. Here, even if the scandalous act was committed in a private place, kasi bahay, it was deemed committed within the public knowledge or view kasi nakikita ng mga taong nasa labas. And third element, the highly scandalous act does not expressly fall under any other article of the Revised Penal Code. For example, a man was caught caressing the breasts of a woman at the back of a bus terminal, but it turned out that the man, through intimidation, performed the act against the woman's will. Here, the crime committed is acts of lasciviousness, which is expressly defined and penalized under Article 336 of the Revised Penal Code. In other words, if the offender's act is penalized in another article of the Revised Penal Code, like in my example, then Article 200 is no longer applicable. So malinaw na malinaw po na there exists a crime called grave scandal. Article 200 po of the Revised Penal Code. And as of today, hindi pa naman ho nare-repeal ang nasabing Article 200. Now, if what Attorney Libayan meant when he said walang kasong grave scandal ay hindi grave scandal ang pagsisex in a public place but a violation of the Safe Spaces Act, mali pa rin ang sagot niya. Hindi violation ng Safe Spaces Act ang pagsisex in a public place dahil ang Safe Spaces Act or the Bawal Bastos Law ay applicable lang if there is gender-based sexual harassment committed towards another person in streets and public places, in cyberspace, in the workplace, and in educational and training-related environments. So kung nasaksihan mo lang na may nagtatalik sa harapan mo in a public place, it is not gender-based sexual harassment. It is a highly scandalous act that is offensive to good customs and to your sense of decency. So to summarize, meron pong crime na grave scandal. To repeat, meron pong crime na grave scandal, which means pwede pong magkaso ng grave scandal. At pangalawa, hindi po violation ng Safe Spaces Act ang pagsisex in a public place. Ang pagtatalik po in a public place ay isang krimen na kung tawagin ay grave scandal. So, yan lang po and see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po.